Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing another quick and easy cooking video. The ingredients we're going to need to make crepes is lactose-free milk, plain flour, oil, salt, and 2 eggs. We're going to start off with our mixing bowl. The first step is... Okay, so our first step is we're going to get our milk, our full cream milk, and we're going to get 1 cup and a half a cup, and we're going to tip milk into both of them. Alright, so the milk is all done. Now we're going towards doing the plain flour. Right, now guys, just letting you know, this has to be plain flour, because if it's not plain flour, it will rise, and we don't want these crepes to rise. So I'm just going to do this the easy way. Okay, so we've got our plain flour, we've got our 1 cup, and I'm tipping it in to the milk mixture. All out. Right, now the next important thing is a quick squirt of oil, some salt, and the last thing that we're going to need is our 2 eggs. So we're going to crack them in now. Oops. Just get the piece of shell out, doesn't matter. Alright, now we're ready for our next step, which is... Okay guys, so I've now just chucked this pan on the heat with some oil and a knob of butter. Now, the next step is to whisk it around. Where's our whisk? That's a whisk, but not everyone. That's all I have to do. Okay, so this, I'm mixing together our crepes mixture. Then while I'm waiting for that, we're just going to keep mixing this until it's all combined and you can't see any lumps. So, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so guys, I've just finished whisking this mixture, and this is about ready to put in the pan. Put that away, and we're going to start tipping. So it's really nice and thin now. I'll show you. Now, like I always do, I'm going to show you guys a picture of the crepe when it's finished.
I have like 5 of these.
I'm just having a little bit of help getting my crepes out of the pan because it's a bit hard because it's so big. Now I'm nearly ready to put my favourite topping on the crepes, which I will show you. Yeah, we're dripping all the oil off now as well to make, and then we're gonna put it on the paper towel for a minute just to make, just to get all the oil off so it doesn't taste like oil. Now I'm just gonna grab my favourite topping and I'll see you back in a minute. Okay guys, now I've got my favourite topping. Now the other thing, if your crepe doesn't look perfectly cooked by the time, by about 2 minutes or when it's starting to get firm and brown, just get some help to flip it over onto the other side and have it cook on that side for about 1 minute. Alright, now it's time to put my favourite topping on. White sugar and lemon juice. Alright, now I'm just putting some lemon juice on. And now I'm going to get a teaspoon.
They want to know your registration on your vehicles.
Okay. Now.
Is that what they use it for, or is it to make sure that no one else is...
There. Done. Now, I'm just going to do something. I'm going to roll up my crepe.
Covered every angle to make sure you are who you are.
Here we go. Ouch, 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 ouch. A bit hot. Rolling up my crepe. Alright, it's all rolled up. Now, it's very, very hot right now, so I can't actually eat it because it's very, very hot. Ouch. Okay, I'd like to show you guys how yummy it is, but I can't because it's so hot. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy video. See you later.